Welcome to Ardito Coffee tutorials. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to disassemble the 1 litre French press plunger mechanism for detailed cleaning. So I'll take the carafe, remove the plunger, like so. Now the whole mechanism is made out of solid stainless steel and is quite easily removed. Everything pulls apart. So we'll just unscrew the top plunger cap, and we can remove the top plate or cover. Now you've got the shaft and the retaining nut. This actually unscrews. If it is a little tight, you can just get a pair of pliers and put on this collar here and then loosen the base plate. It may be a little tight from factory. And then just unscrew the plunger shaft. And that comes off. And then you've got the plunger spring plate, which puts tension on the filter when you're pressing. Then you have the actual mesh filter itself, and mine only has one, but the standard one comes with two for a limited time. And if you had two, you would put two on here or remove two at this point. So you take that off, and then you've got the filter retainer plate, which is your base plate. Now the plunger shaft retainer screw also comes off the bottom of the shaft for a more detailed clean, and you just simply unscrew it, just like that. And that is the disassemble method for the 1 litre French press.